Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by anchoring the goal and picking the tone. This guides every choice you make. Once done, scan your source notes and pull 3 supporting examples that illustrate the main point. Make sure to set a target reading speed so phrasing fits runtime. Practice 1 paragraph aloud to confirm pacing. Begin with a strong opening line that states the problem and promises value, because early clarity keeps listeners engaged and informs how you shape each subsequent sentence. You now build the spine, divide content into 3 clear sections, and assign approximate time to each, which prevents drift. Once that's set, write tight topic sentences and follow each with a concrete example or datum to support it. Use transitional phrases so the listener follows your logic, and vary sentence length to create rhythm. Shorter sentences highlight key facts while longer ones explain reasoning. Practice aloud to identify where natural pauses and emphasis belong for clear delivery. You conclude by restating the main insight and giving 1-3 concrete next steps so the listener leaves ready to act. Once done, perform 2 timed read-throughs, make micro-edits to tighten phrasing and ensure you hit the target length. If pacing or clarity falters, simplify language, remove 1 redundant example, or slow down to regain control. 1 key troubleshooting tip: if listeners seem lost, add a brief recap sentence that links the prior point to the conclusion and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.